This is a Google Sheets budget template that gives every month its own dashboard, without 12 tabs to keep in sync. One dropdown. Pick a month and the whole page follows it. I'll build it from scratch, 6 steps in front of you. Step 1. Income, payday, and the account's money actually moves through. Takes about a minute. This part is boring on purpose. It's the part you set once. Step 2. Your own categories, your own accounts, not somebody else's list. Step 3. One limit per category. Housing, $1,500. Groceries, $500. And a line at the top that checks your own math for you. If your limits add up to more than you earn, it turns red before you find out the hard way. That's the easy mistake. The one that actually breaks a budget is 2 tabs over, coming up in about a minute. Workbooks link below if you want to follow along on your own copy. Step 4. Bills that don't come every month. Car insurance, $612, but not monthly, every 6 months. Most people budget 0 for it in the other 5 months, then get hit for the full amount in month 6. This sheet just divides it. $612 over 6 months is $102 every single month, whether the bill is due or not. Do that for every bill that isn't monthly, and the real monthly cost of your life stops hiding. Step 5. Your debt. Balance, interest rate, minimum payment. The sheet turns that into an actual payoff date, not a guess, a calculation. Step 6. One goal. Say it's an emergency fund, $10,000 by the end of the year. Type the target and the date, and it tells you what that actually costs you per month to hit it. Not save more, a number. 6 of 6. 10, 15 minutes and it's done. Once. Now here's the part every other budget spreadsheet gets wrong, and it's the whole reason this one has a dashboard instead of 12 tabs. Step 7, if you want to call it that. The only one you'll touch every week. One log, the whole year. Date, what it was, category, done. Not January tab, February tab. One list, 400 rows, every month in it. And this is why. Pick any month here, and every card, every chip, every chart on this page reads straight out of that one log and recalculates. Change the month, watch it move. What came in? What's already spent by category? What's left? No separate tab to open to find out. And zoomed out, 12 months side by side from the same log. No copying a single number between tabs to get here. Your best month and your worst month, found for you, not eyeballed. Step 8, a calendar. Every bill and your payday on an actual month grid, so you see what lands the same week before it happens. And if you want the long view, assets, debts, and where that line's been heading month by month. Account balances update from the same log too. Nothing to retype twice. One more thing in here if you like a game about it. A 52-week challenge that scales to your own numbers, not somebody else's $5 increments. Here's the honest part. If you've downloaded a budget template before and stopped using it after 2 weeks, that's not a you problem. Most of them ask for an evening of setup before they do anything useful, and by week 2, that evening never happened. This one asks for 10 minutes once. After that, the only thing you ever open is this one log, and everything else updates itself. It's a real .xlsx file, works in Excel 2016 or newer, no subscription required, and it imports into Google Sheets in one step if that's where you live. Everything you saw here is in the link below, with a written setup guide in the same download. One thing to do right now, even if you never buy anything. Open whatever budget you're using today, list the bills that don't come every month, and divide the total by 12. That number's been hiding your whole budget. Mine, in this file, is $102.